Hey my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys my November BOXYCHARM. I know I'm super late on this, but I still wanted to share with you guys anyway. November I was I was sick, so I didn't get around to filming it, and then Christmas holiday season came around and I was like, where'd the time go? So I'm sharing with you guys now because I still wanted to share with you guys my thoughts and opinions on what I got in my November box. It was a okay month. I'm not gonna say it was the greatest month. But you know, it is what it is. I still love BOXYCHARM. It just wasn't my absolute favorite box. But there was some good products in here. So here is the November BOXYCHARM for you guys. So we're gonna get right on into unboxing the November BOXYCHARM. So here we go. The theme for November's BOXYCHARM was Stellar. This is what the card looks like right here. The products are listed inside this card this time, so I'm just gonna read them off. I'm gonna go in order of what the cards are, because when I link them down in the description box down for you guys, you can find them all easily and have prices as well. Okay, so the first thing is the thing I was excited to get because I think Dominique, you know, from Dominique Cosmetics is really a sweet girl. I think she has really nice makeup and stuff. I've gotten a lip gloss from her, which I loved, and a past BOXYCHARM, but this palette, it just isn't my like color palette type. So, and it's an exclusive palette to BOXYCHARM, so it's not like something you could go out and buy. I don't think it is going to be something you could buy, even though there is a retail price on here. I don't know if it is something you can buy. I'm going to try to find if there's a link to it, because I know she has another palette similar to this palette. So this is Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette by Dominique Cosmetics. She has another one called Celestial Storm. I know that one is up for retail, but I wasn't sure if this was actually supposed to be an exclusive to BOXYCHARM or she was considering making this to sell. It says it's $35, so I'm a little bit confused on that because people were saying it was exclusive to BOXYCHARM and stuff, so I'm a little bit confused. So if I do end up finding a link for this, I will link it down below for you guys. But I am not going to keep it, even though there are like two colors that I think are really cool. I'm just not going to use this whole palette as a whole, so it's kind of not like really something I should keep in my collection. So I will share with you guys the colors. There's a big, huge mirror. So I'm not going to swatch it just so I can, you know, give it to somebody that I know that will actually use this palette. So that's what the colors look like. The ones that I think I would use were that super shimmery champagne gold, and I like this little shimmery black color. Those are the only ones that stood out to me. The other ones I just don't wear. They're not like my color palette, so it's not like something I would use on a daily basis, even though the colors in this palette look really nice and stand out. It's just like not my color palette. I love golds, I love champagnes, and I love those types of colors and stuff, but this just like color story is just not for me. I like light kind of neutral colors, but I also do love, you know, like pops of gold and champagne and stuff, like how I have on my eyes today for this New Year's Eve as I'm filming this. So you'll be seeing it after New Year's Eve. But I think she makes wonderful products, but just for me, it's just not a color story palette that I would tend to use. But I think she did a wonderful job, and the colors do look really, really pretty, but just not my type of palette. The next product I have to share with you guys is my choice product. This was my choice product for this box, so I'm really excited to share with you guys. Okay, so here is the product. This is the Caprese, I hope I'm saying that right, the Caprese Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Now, when I saw the price of this when I opened my BOXYCHARM, I was like, what? I would never spend this much money on skincare. I think skincare is important, but for something that's gonna go probably very quick, maybe within a month or so, it could, or a month and a half, maybe, depending. $90 ain't worth it. I'm pretty sure this is great quality. I hope it works. I haven't tried it yet, but $90 for skincare, that's a pretty steep price to pay. And I think you could probably find better at the drugstore. I'm pretty sure you can find better. I don't think you need to go so super high end when it comes to skincare. You know, skincare is important and stuff, but I don't think you need to go that extreme with spending like over hundreds of dollars in skincare. That's just like not worth it. That's like for products that are going to go fast, you know, not really that great. But it says this antioxidant dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals, used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. I like how they call it a skincare wardrobe at the end. But the packaging of this is pretty cute. I like that it's this white packaging right here with gold. And there's a whole bunch of little flowers. So I'm going to share with you guys what it looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's pretty. But, you know, just like $90, that's a steep price. I don't know what person would be willing to pay $90. Ooh! It actually looks kind of milky, almost. I like the really cool dropper. It's a really cool bottle. But here's what it looks like. So it kind of looks milky at first, but then it just blends really clearly. And I really don't smell anything, so that's good. If you guys don't like scents in your skincare, then I don't really smell nothing. It feels nice and soft. We'll give it a go. But it's not something I would definitely purchase, like, on my own. Like, I'm glad that I got it in this box, but it's not something I would go out and get again if I finished it. Really cool though. Great. Up next is from Dose of Colors. So this is actually going to be my second liquid lip color that I've gotten from them in a BOXYCHARM. So this is really cool. This is the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Date Night. My kitty Rose, she's so funny. Okay, so this liquid lipstick is in the shade Date Night from Dose of Colors. This has actually been the red lipstick I've been wearing over the Christmas season because I fell in love with this super bright. It's a very nice staple red. If you're looking for a staple red color of a liquid lipstick for your collection, this is it right here. I wore this Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. I was so happy with this shade. Because the reds that I do own, I can't even talk about them because they're no longer available. So the red liquid lipstick I usually wear, which is from ColourPop. It was from a past collection they did. But this red is the best red you probably will wear. I love it. It's so bold and just the staple red. If you're looking for that true red, this right here is it. And I'm so excited that I now actually have a staple red lip that I can actually talk about to you guys and wear. And that's a really nice color. I'm happy with that, and that's $18, guys. Super amazing. Definitely a must have. All right, next up we have some sheet face masks. These are by the brand Haruharu. I don't even know how to say that. I am so sorry if I just like literally butchered that. I'm so sorry. These are the Wonder Maqui? Maqui? I don't even know. I can't pronounce these things. The Berry Antioxidant Mask Set. So there's two. We got two of them. And these retail for $9. They feel like they have a lot of moisture inside these little packs. It says there's natural ingredients and 100% organic. So it says on here, since I can't read, there's no English. There's really no English about the ingredients on here, so I'm going to read it off the card. Okay. It says containing extracts of Maqui berry. I didn't know if that was a berry. Didn't know that kind of berry existed. This mask provides your skin with antioxidant and anti-aging effects. Patented technology in this mask encourages healthy skin functions like regeneration and anti-inflammation and targets many skin imperfections. The sheet is made from 100% pure cotton and non-chlorine bleaching process that allows a delicate touch with enhanced adherence with the skin. That seems really promising. Like, that's actually really nice that it has 100% pure cotton. There's no chlorine bleaching process in this. So I'm guessing that most face masks that are on the market probably have some type of chlorine in them, which sounds yucky because chlorine is awful. Even though chlorine is used in like pools and stuff, and that's supposed to like kill like bacteria and stuff from all the people going in it and stuff. Still not good for you. Which is why you're not supposed to drink chlorine water from the pool, because you could choke on that. So, fair warning. So that's nice. I can't wait to try these out. And I hope they help with me making my skin nice and soft and smooth and looking beautiful at the end. I already look young. I already don't even look my age. Even though I'm 24, I don't look 24. No matter how much I try. Well, look, the sun's finally trying to come out, guys. I've been waiting all day for the sun. That's really cool. I'm excited. Can't wait to get this a go and let you guys know. Maybe we could do a review. The last product I got in my BOXYCHARM before I show you the other product I got, which is a bonus item, which is not on the card because it was a testing product, so I will talk about that at the end. But this is from Milk Makeup. This is their holographic stick. It retails for $28. It's in the shade, I don't even know if it says a shade. It's in the shade Stardust. So it comes in this little packaging. This little clear packaging, which I'm not sure why that was necessary. Could have just left it like this. But it's a holographic stick. It's supposed to be a multi-purpose, I guess, stick. A best-selling holographic cream highlighter stick packed with meteorite powder for a prismatic glow on cheeks, lips, and eyes. So you can use it multiple ways. So it's a multi-purpose stick. Would have to definitely see how I would best use this, but it looks pretty cool. I like that it's a pinky color, so I love pink. Just looks like a big huge roller ball, guys. And it has this little plastic piece on top. And then the color, let me see if I could just like, probably not working now because I literally have swatched so many products. Seems pretty cool. Okay, so that was everything in my BOXYCHARM, and now I do have one more thing that I wanted to share with you guys. This was the little tester that I got in my BOXYCHARM from Pretty Vulgar. It's their Undercover Lightweight Concealer little samples that I got. So I'm pretty sure this might be in a future BOXYCHARM. So I have already sent in already a month ago or two, back in November when I originally got the box and was able to fill out the little questionnaire that they had about this concealer, of which shade I was. I believe I did Little White Lies, which was the fair. So this is what the little card looked like. So I picked the first one. I thought that was the lightest one to my skin tone. Because I like to have a brightening underneath, you know, I'm not trying to like conceal so much underneath my eyes. So this was the little sample that we got in the BOXYCHARM, just so we can see which shade we were. So this might be in a future BOXYCHARM, I don't know which one, but I'm pretty sure it's coming maybe soon or sometime, maybe this year. So who knows, for 2020. So I'm really excited. But yeah, that's everything from my BOXYCHARM. My BOXYCHARM for November 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to have the price of the full box right here on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, that's everything. I'm pretty happy with everything except for I'm not going to be using the eyeshadow palette, but everything else seems pretty fairly good, and I'm excited to try it all out really soon. So stay tuned. You never know, you might see it very soon being used. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sending you lots of love, and until next time, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.